Hi, I'm Pat. I started coming to Andrew between 4 to 6 weeks ago, where I was in very severe pain with hip and knees. I couldn't walk. I used to do a lot of walking, but all of a sudden I got laid up. I couldn't even walk out to the door. I couldn't go up the stairs. I couldn't lie on my left side with the pain. I was in absolute excruciation pain. It was really, really bad. So my son advised me to come to Andrew, and I've started coming to Andrew.
Okay, pretty decent there. I'm just going to put some blocks in there. So left leg is short. Drop down. That way. You okay there, Pat?
Yeah.
Following those blocks is just going to realign you. That's good. That's what we want. Realign your mind, Pat.
And the pain in my hip, I can lie peaceful at night with it now. And also my knees is correct on that, and I'm able to start walking out again. And I'm also getting the strength back in my left leg, which I hadn't strength in. It was very, very weak when I came to Andrew. So now I'm beginning to be able to go up the stairs and use my left leg and put the weight on it again. My shoulder, I had quite a bit of pain in my left shoulder, and Andrew is correcting that for me at the moment, and I feel a big improvement in my joints and my legs, my hips, and in my shoulder, which I think he's doing very well with me. I'm quite pleased with his work.